Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be drawing eyebrows, like we'll be doing a detailed eyebrow tutorial. So don't forget to watch this video from start to finish, guys. It's very detailed. So now I'll be starting off with outlining my eyebrow, and when I'm doing that, I use my pencil first to outline my eyebrows, and I check to know where to stop, to know where the tail of the brow should end. So that is what I'm doing. The measurement was what I just did. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. So I'll be outlining the top part of the eyebrows now. So when I get to where I'll put my arc, I'll just slightly place my arc and take it down to the tail of the eyebrow. So the eye pencil I'm using here is David's eye pencil. It's a very common pencil you can see anywhere. David's eye pencil. So I'm going ahead to do the same thing I did to the first eyebrow, and I'm outlining this second one. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. Same thing I'm doing now. I'm outlining the top part of the eyebrow. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. So I'll be using my eyebrow gel, setting gel to fill up the eyebrows. Like I wouldn't be using my pencil to fill, so I'm using my eyebrow gel to fill the eyebrows completely. I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, same to the other part of the eyebrow. When nothing really matters, and you can see, guys, you can see how neat it is when you apply this eyebrow gel. Like this eyebrow gel, setting gel is like the magic. Once you just apply it, your eyebrow changes, transforms, upgrades. Like hey, I like the way this thing changes eyebrow. Tina makes this myself. Like my eyebrows. Hey, snatched brows. So when you want to get a snatched brows, you need to use your eyebrow setting gel to set eyebrows. So I'm going into my Hega and Esther eyebrow gel in the shade Nubian. Like I just use it to those areas in the eyebrow that didn't fill up properly. I use it to fill it up and make sure I use it to make my outline very sharp. My outline is the lines of the eyebrow. I use it to make it very sharp, and so that the eyebrows will look well defined and very detailed. If I can lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone. So guys, when doing your eyebrows, you take your time. It's not something you need to rush. That's why I didn't cut so much in these videos, because I wanted to show you all through the process, so you know where to make your corrections, where to correct and everything. Because eyebrows, there is nobody that doesn't make mistakes in eyebrows, but it's just to know what to do when you make a particular mistake. Like even the top makeup artists in this world, all of them, in one time or the other, we usually have issues with our eyebrows. So it's just to know where you've gotten it wrong and how to adjust it to make it right. So here I'm outlining my eyebrows. I'm using my Ferrarici concealer, a light shade for the brow bone,
And after that, I'm using this concealer, black opal stick, cream powder foundation. I'm using it for the head of the brow. That's the inner corner of the eyebrow. I'm using to conceal it. And I also use at the extreme end, that's the tail too, so that I would not have harsh lines when blending. So it helps me a lot. If I use this bright shade for the brow bone, I use a dark shade for the beginning and the ending part of the eyebrows. It helps my eyebrows blend very very fast, and I wouldn't need to struggle when blending.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
So sorry guys, I didn't show you when I was concealing the head of the eyebrows, like the inner corner of the eyebrows. Like, I didn't know the camera was not recording, but it's not. I didn't do anything special. I only just concealed that beginning part, and I'm doing that same thing now to the ending part of the eyebrows, like using this dark shade.
There's not much to do
blend when I start my blending process. So now I'm going into my Hega and Esther, the same Hega and Esther, to further sharpen this outline. Because when concealing, sometimes you may go in and let's say spell something, or you may go in and your brush would mistakenly enter a place you don't want it to enter. So in that case, all you just have to do is to go back to your Hega and Esther eyebrow gel and fill it up. So next, I'm just slightly concealing the top, just slightly, because this process I'm teaching you is how to draw eyebrows when your foundation is already on. Your foundation is on and your powder is on. So I wouldn't be doing much at the top of the eyebrow. I'm just straightening out any place I have a crooked line. That's what I'm doing basically.
Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
So guys, this tutorial is going to be very very helpful for those of us that have clients that have very difficult eyebrows, because I our clients, the eyebrow is very difficult to draw. Right now I'm blending it. You can see my blending process, like because of that dark shade I put, blending it's now very very smooth. My blending is now very smooth. My blending is very clean, very neat, well served. Like when you know how to conceal and the shades to use when concealing your eyebrows, your blending work is going to be so neat and flawless. So you can see those brows, you can see how snatched they look as I'm blending the concealer. So that's what I do, guys. Just take a moment and just take a minute and give me a thumbs up for this video if you like it. Me, I know you like it already. So just give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, if you're joining us for the first time. Welcome to the Chimakeover family. Just subscribe to our channel and you keep enjoying more beautiful videos from us. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please watch till the end, guys.
There's not much to do.
And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye. I love you.